Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I would be discussing the problem kth largest element in an array from LeetCode. So let's first read the question. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the kth largest element in the array. Note that it is the kth largest element in the sorted order, not the kth distinct element. You must solve in O of n time complexity. So like here you can see the example nums 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4, and we have to tell the second largest element in this example one. So second largest element is the fifth. Like suppose for example I have written the input in the decreasing order 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the sixth position is the 0, fifth is 1. So if I have to find the kth largest element, so simply just I will minus k minus 1. So the value of k was 2 and minus 1 was 1. So the value at the 1th place would be the answer. 5 is the answer. So let's get into the code for better understandability. We'll use the sort and greater, and after that we'll return the, like I have said before, the k minus 1. Now check this code. It runs perfectly. Now we have to submit the code. So it runs successfully. Thank you.